Well, hello there, YouTubers. So this is Dorothy. She's the latest painting in my DinoMonsters collection. If you don't know, DinoMonsters is a collection I started in 2021 because my DinoMonsters, Milosaurus and Jackson Dactyl, are both into dinosaurs. So I started doing a dinosaur collection last year, and I'm just now getting back to it. So it's a dinosaur art collection. In my mind, they all have their own little unique personalities. I like to paint intuitively, so I didn't go in with a pre-plan, but sort of for this collection, I do really enjoy textures and different patterns, and so I wanted to explore texture and pattern with these dinosaur designs. I enjoy using texture and pattern in unique and unexpected ways, and so that's just what I'm kind of working through here. So I had I guess I have 5 that are drawn and ready to be painted, and so this one I did kind of go in with a plan, in that I had a JPEG of some flowers, and then I really like the colors in those flowers, so that's what I'm kind of looking at for the color palette inspiration here. But I realized I don't really have a dark royal blue like that. I had to kind of make that with a couple blues and some blacks, and I didn't quite get the color I wanted. And then the same thing with the yellow. The yellow, I love that color yellow, right? It's like, oh God, I love it. But it didn't, I needed it to be a little bit lighter, and then the green, so color mixing is always fun, isn't it? I'm sure have all of these colors, but I for sure don't have this deep dark royal blue though that I was going for. But I have a little palette of 24 colors. So I like to paint in gouache because of its vibrancy. That's the number one reason. And gouache is a watercolor, so that's what you see going on here. I really like the way watercolor moves and the way it looks, and I really like gouache. Especially this brand that I use is called Shinhan Pass. It's kind of a hybrid watercolor and gouache, and I really like it a lot because it just re-wets a lot easier, and yeah. So anyway, I just am trying to stick pattern in here and just kind of flying by the seat of my pants. I lost sight of the original color palette I was going with. And then I decided to outline it in white, and yeah, so I'm finishing it up here, and I really like this pattern. You'll see it in a lot of my work in the backgrounds, because I don't know why, but I just really adore it.
Someone's at your door.
Yeah, that's what you see going on here. Yeah. So anyway, this painting is for sale. Her name is Dorothy. She's for sale on eBay now. Once I get done with this collection, as far as I'm going to take it this month of July 2022, then I will release some limited edition prints of my favorites. But I think this will be one of my favorites. Oh my gosh. I really love the way it came out, and I hope you like it too. And hey, please like, subscribe, blah, blah, all those things you do on the internet. Cost you nothing. Thanks. Bye.